Well, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name's Sam Clark and this is One Life Cars. In today's video, you join me just in front of the Ford Transit Connect 2004 model. I'm going to show you guys how to locate the fuse box. Dead easy one, no tools required. A couple of fuse boxes, one under the bonnet, one on the interior. I'll show you where they are. I'll show you roughly what the fuses do in each of the boxes. And if you need to know a specific fuse, let me know in the comments below. Put the year of your van in the comments and I'll tell you what fuse does what. So stay tuned and we'll have a look. Alright guys, Ford Transit Connect fuse box location. So the first thing you want to do is open your bonnet. For those of you who don't know, with the most Fords you stick your key down here, flick it to the left to pop the bonnet up, and then to the right as you pull the bonnet to release it off the catch. So straight under your bonnet, and you go straight to the back, sort of to the back and the right hand side, and you'll find a box with a funny looking, sort of almost looks like a fuse with a power symbol in the middle. That's got a little tab on it here to squeeze up. Just pull that tab up like so, pull it up from this side first and it'll pop straight off, dead easy. And this is your exterior fuse box. This will mostly cover all your main engine fuses, engine management fuses. You can see you've got some big main ones across here. And then a few like front lights, indicators, things like that are normally covered in the exterior box. All your sort of outsidey bits. Like I said before, if you've got a request for a specific fuse, let me know in the comments below, but make sure to put the year of the van you're asking about or car. You know, it can be on anything covered on the channel. So let us know in the comments. Also got relays in this box. These are all your relays here, so if you've got a relay problem, this is where you want to look, as well as fuses. When you've done what you're doing, change your fuse. Oh yeah, just another thing as well. On the back panel, I mean a lot of them are scratched off or worn, but on this you've still got your full fuse diagram and your layout. Just tells you what every fuse in that box does and relay. What for, you've even got pictures, so it's pretty sort of self-explanatory. And you've also got a little bit here for spare fuses. You can put spare ones in these little ports ready for when you do need one, and a pair of tweezers to pull them out, which you will need for the smaller ones. So that's the exterior fuse box. To put it back, we're just going to line up this back bit first, and just make sure when you do put it back you clip it on properly and it goes back on right, not unlike what I've just done. Because with it being sort of outside, if you like, I know it's under the bonnet, they do get moisture and you don't want moisture in your fuse box. That is going to blow fuses. So that's the exterior. Done that, now we can pull the key out down there and drop the bonnet. And next we'll have a look at the interior fuse box. Right guys, the interior box. So, passenger door open, straight to the glove box. Sorry about the light and stuff, it's slung straight through the windscreen. So when you've opened the glove box, you'll see, if you look to each side, you've got like little tabs that obviously stop it from swinging all the way open, but you want it to open all the way. So it's very hard to do with the camera. I'll try and do it with one hand. You need to use two hands, get an hand there, and the other hand on that side, and just squeeze it in, like so. And they just squeeze past. You can actually do it with one hand on this. And then the glove box will fully drop. Obviously make sure you empty it first before you do that, would be a good idea. That comb is not for me, for the record. I just got the van. Yeah, so straight away you'll see the interior box, and the good Ford with things like this, we've got a full diagram of all the fuses and what they're for on this piece of paper. Hopefully you'll have this in your van. If you've not, like I say, you know, you can look up yourself on the internet or let us know in the comments, and I don't mind finding the fuse for you. Excuse me, and letting you know. This will be most of your interior fuses. Dashboard lights, interior lights, electric windows if you have them, things like that. And there's also a couple of relays there as well. And that's the interior box. So guys, they're the two fuse boxes on the Ford Transit Connect that you can squeeze them back in to do it gently, or just give it a slam. depending on how bothered you are. But the proper way is to squeeze it in so you don't risk damaging the tabs. Right guys, that's it from me today. That's the fuse box location on a 2004 Ford Transit Connect. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, you want to see more car van tutorials or ask maybe another tutorial on this van itself, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to make it happen for you. Well, that's about it from me today. Until next time guys, peace.